Hello there, Facebook friends. I am a few minutes late. I apologize for that. We just had a delivery for our roofing. Yay! So, if you're new to my channel, just joining me, then I can tell you that, that we are doing some remodeling. And so we're doing some home improvements and some remodeling. So yes, new roofing was on the list of things to do. And so they just delivered it. Yay. So we'll get to have a new roof finished soon. Okay, so today we are going to make this cute card, Have the Best Day Ever. This is a really, really insanely simple card. Hi, Cindy. Good morning, everyone. I'm not seeing my comments. There we go. And so yeah, very simple card. And I'll show you how to make this. Uh-oh. Hold on one second, guys. The dog has my shoe. Go in here. You babysit her. Okay, sorry. The puppy problems. She stole my shoe. All right, so anyway, we're gonna make this card really, really simple and basic, but I needed a lot of birthday cards. So this is the stamp set, one for all. It has some great sentiments, and I'll tell you, originally my goal was to use this sentiment on this. And so when I first tested it out, I took the framelit and I put it over this empty, and this fit perfect. And I was like, oh yay, great, awesome. And then guess what? The actual stamp is bigger. Sometimes it's like that. So then when I thought, oh, I'll stamp it here, it was just gonna hang off the edges and that would bother me because I'm kinda cray like that. So instead we're doing this. Okay, so I've got my Stamparatus, and it's already set up with my stamp inside. So here's a little tip for you. If you want to leave a stamp in your Stamparatus, if you know you're working on something and it gets late at night and you decide, okay, I'm done, you can just take a paper towel and set it in there and close your Stamparatus, and it'll be good to go for the next day. So it protects this surface and it protects whatever you want to stamp on, and you're good to go. Okay, so before we started, I had extras of these cut out, and I just lined this up, which I should show you also. This is using the new Stitched Seasons framelits. So even if you don't want to get the new bundle that's available right now, this bundle, so say you don't want all of this, but you really want these images, then you can just buy the framelits. If you want to get the whole bundle is $64.75 for the clear mount. A little bit of a higher price point as far as, it's not a cheap set, but it's really, really versatile, and it'll last you forever. It's got thank you, wishing you all the best, Merry Christmas, you're the friend everyone wishes they had, I just miss you, and congrats. And then you've got some kind of stuff you could use here for fall. You could use this flower for Christmas, fall, anything. And then you've got fall leaves, holly berries. This bell could be used for wedding stuff. So really cute set. Okay. So I'm going to use Memento Tuxedo black ink. You can use whatever black ink you want to use, and I chose to just make this card super, super simple. So as you can see, inking up, and it's not a very dark image, and I want it to be nice and solid and dark, so I'm going over and inking it again. If you're hearing that crazy sound in the background, that is my puppy. She is scratching at the door trying to get out of the room and to me. So now you can see I just need this girl to be a little bit darker. I want her to be nice and solid. So I'm just kind of inking the bottom here. And then stamping her again. And I'm going to do it one more time. This is the beauty of the Stamparatus. So I have this held down with a piece of Post-it note tape so that that paper won't jostle around and move. And now I have everything how I want it and I'm done. Now I just leave that piece of Post-it note tape there and that lets me know where I need to put in my next piece. And I happen to know that this is the line that these little points need to be lined up on. So I know if I just scooch that in there a tidbit, put it here, and then I smash this down, everything's going to be lined up just right for me to stamp this image again. You can let her out, Katie. Okay, so there's that. So I'll show you all the rest of the pieces. Okay, so this is cut at 4 1/4 by 11. It's a top folding A2 size card. And then I've got a piece of basic black cardstock here cut at 4 by 4 3/4. And you can see here my edge is a little tattered. That is because my blade needed to be changed on my trimmer. My trimmer gets lots of love. So all you have to do is take a sanding block, any kind of little nail file, buffer, whatever, and just kind of sand the edge, and then you'll have a nice smooth edge again with no problem. Okay, so I'm going to adhere this down, sticking it to the right side of the card. I want everything to be lined up. Now, I could have just cut a little strip to stick out, which honestly, you could do that if you want. This is cut at 3 by 5 1/2, and it's gonna go all the way up against the right side of the card. So see all that black that's covered? I could have just cut a small strip and put it under there. I just like how it makes as you add the layers, you have a heavier weight to the card. I like that. So this is cut at 2 1/2 by 5 1/2. And this has the little cake pieces all over it versus the balloons on the other card, which I'll show you again. So you can decide which one you like better. And then I'm going to grab my Stampin' Dimensionals. Hi, Alicia. Althea, Deborah, Tiffany, Kay. Good to see everybody here. Who else do we have? Elizabeth, Bev. Hello, hello. Thanks for joining me. All right, I'm trying to get all these little humdingers off here. All right. And then we'll just place this gal right in the middle. So she has all this fun design happening around her, and that's it. I actually like this one better than this one. What do you guys think? Which one do you like better? While you're trying to decide which you like better, let's have a little commercial break. Bonus days are here. So if you purchase every $50 you spend, you get a $5 little goodie coupon back to spend in September. So that's awesome. And then also the Color Your Season bundle is available now, and it's only available while supplies last or till August 31st. So if you want to get your hands on this bundle, that's this one right here. You're going to want to purchase that. And you can also get these awesome watercolor pencils right now as well. So that's another thing to add to your list. And this is linked in the description in this video. Okay, so let's do a giveaway, shall we? I need to find my giveaway though. 3 or 4. So, okay, before I do that, I just want to quickly say, this is the free gift when you place an order with me through August 22nd. So if you place a $50 minimum purchase, you're going to receive 2 of these kits plus this stamp set for free. Now through August 22nd. Has to be a minimum purchase of $50. Okay. Here's what I'm giving away. I've got this little bundle. It's Early Espresso ink with a stamp set and these cute embellishments. This is all from a paper pumpkin goodie. I've got a Garden Impressions DSP sampler, a Share What You Love DSP sampler, and a Nature's Poem DSP sampler. So I've got 4 things to give away. Are we ready? Oh, I need my Post-it notes so I can write everybody's name. All right, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. You have to comment. Linda Knight Brady, you will win the Nature's Poem DSP. So Linda Brady, congratulations. Okay, next winner is Cheryl Chesney. Share What You Love DSP. Cheryl, I can never remember how to spell her name. S-Z-C-Z. Congrats, Cheryl. Okay, here we go. Rolling again. Trish Kelly. Hey, Trish. She asked me, are you liking the Stamparatus? Yes, I am, Trish. So Trish is actually, I forget how, she's related to my cousin somehow. I don't know how. Aunt, cousin, uncle, something to my cousin. It's through marriage, so I'm not exactly sure what the relationship is. Okay, next winner is, ready? Here we go. Tiffany Allen, Tiffany Thornton. Horton, sorry. Tiffany Horton Allen. Tiffany Horton Allen won the grand prize, the stamp set with the embellishments and ink spot. Yay! Congrats to all the winners. There's your winners. Winner, winners, chicken dinner. So if you won and you would like to help me out, please message me with your address. I would really, really appreciate that. And you'll get your goodies sent to you in the mail. All right. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. This is all I have for you. It's a quick, short, simple, easy card today. I will be back with more fun stuff from the holiday catalog coming up in the next couple weeks. And I'm also going to be using this soon. Picked for You. It's a teacher stamp set, and my kid's starting school, so we're going to be using that as well. All right. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys have an awesome day. Hope you start your week great and end it even better. Talk to you soon. Bye.